Hello student. In this lecture, I will teach you another problem of surface area and volume. In this problem, a conical shaped tent is given. This conical tent is to be covered with a canvas whose slant height is given and diameter is given. Basically, the question is find what length of canvas 2 meter in width is required to make a conical tent 12 meter in diameter and 63 meter in slant height, which means we have to cover this conical tent with the canvas whose slant height is given. We are given the canvas width of canvas as 2 meter. We have to find the length of canvas. Base of conical tent is given 12 meter. And the another part of the question is find the cost of the canvas at the rate of rupees 150 per meter. First, we will find the area of the tent which is to be covered with the canvas. Area of the tent which is to be covered with the canvas. On the basis of that information, we will get the length of the canvas. If we get the length of the canvas, then we can also get the value of the cost of the canvas. First, we will find the curved surface area of conical tent, which is pi r l. In this case, we know pi is 22 by 7. Radius, diameter of the base is 12 meter. So radius will be half of diameter, that is 6 meter. So radius is 6. Slant height is already given, that is 63. We will cut 63 by 7. If we multiply 22 into 6, that will be 132 into 9. If we multiply 132 into 9, we will get as 1188. 1188 meter square is the area of the conical tent which is to be covered with the canvas. So this is the area and canvas is cloth will be, area will be L into B. B is width, that is 2 meter. So on the basis of this information, we can get the value of length. Length of canvas will be 1188 divided by 2, 594 meter. So 594 meter is the length of the canvas and the breadth is already given. Now we have got the value of length of the canvas. Now we can find the cost of the canvas. This is the first part, length of the canvas. Second part is find the total cost. Total cost of canvas is length into rate. Length into rate. Length is 594 and rate is rupee 150. So if we multiply the length of the canvas with the rate per meter of the canvas, we will get the total cost of the canvas. So 594 into 150 is 89100. Hence the total cost of the canvas will be rupees 89100. So in this case, we have find out the total cost as well as how to find the length of the canvas when we have to cover a conical shaped tent with the canvas whose slant height and base diameter is given. So in this case, we have find the real length as 594 meter and the total cost of canvas as rupees 89100. Thanks.